Suppose in your website you have a long page with several sections. To make this page user-friendly, you use the bookmark feature in HTML by creating a list at the top of the page and link it to corresponding sections on the same page. You can achieve this task by using the ID attribute, which can be used with every HTML element. First, you need to identify the points in the page the link will go to and mark them with the ID attribute. Next, you link to these points using the hash symbol, followed by the value of the ID attribute in the href attribute of the created list. To save users from having to scroll back to the top, you also add a link at the bottom or at the end of each section, which instantly takes the user to the top. After creating the HTML page used in this example, you have to make your browser's window smaller at runtime to see the jumping effect. This is the list you defined using the hash symbol. If you click the third topic link, you are taken to that section. Clicking the top link takes you back to the list.